need to know about Mount Kailash. Nestled in the remote reaches of the Tibetan Plateau, Mount Kailash stands as one of the most enigmatic and revered mountains in the world. Its striking pyramid-like shape and the aura of mystery that surrounds it have captivated the imaginations of explorers, pilgrims, and scientists alike. But what makes this mountain so special? Why has it remained unclimbed despite numerous attempts? No one has ever climbed it. Unlike Everest or K2, which have seen countless ascents, Mount Kailash remains untouched by human feet. This isn't due to a lack of trying, rather it's a combination of cultural reverence, unexplained phenomena, and perhaps something more profound that keeps climbers at bay. Intrigued yet? So, what's the deal with Mount Kailash? To understand its allure, we must delve into the rich tapestry of myths, legends, and scientific anomalies that surround this peak. Mount Kailash is not just a mountain, it's a symbol, a spiritual beacon, and a puzzle that has yet to be solved. It's not the height, but something else entirely. Standing at 6,638 meters, 21,778 feet, Mount Kailash is not among the tallest mountains in the world. Yet its unique shape and the stories that surround it make it far more significant than its height would suggest. The mountain's four sheer faces are aligned with the cardinal points of the compass, a feature that has led some to speculate about its possible man-made origins or its role as a natural pyramid. In Tibetan culture, it's considered sacred, the home of the god Shiva. For centuries, Mount Kailash has been a pilgrimage site for Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Bonpos. Each of these religions holds the mountain in the highest regard, believing it to be the earthly manifestation of their respective deities. For Hindus, it is the abode of Lord Shiva, the destroyer and transformer. Buddhists see it as the home of Demchok, a representation of supreme bliss. Jains revere it as the site where their first Tirthankara attained liberation, and Bonpo consider it the seat of all spiritual power. Some believe climbing it would disturb the divine presence, but there's more. The reverence for Mount Kailash is so profound that even the thought of climbing it is considered sacrilegious by many. Pilgrims undertake the arduous journey to perform a kora, a ritual circumambulation of the mountain, rather than attempting to summit it. This act of devotion is believed to cleanse one's sins and bring spiritual enlightenment. Climbers report strange phenomena, compasses going haywire, sudden weather changes, and eerie feelings. Those who have ventured close to Mount Kailash often speak of inexplicable occurrences. Compasses spin wildly, weather conditions shift abruptly, and an overwhelming sense of unease pervades the air. These phenomena have led some to believe that the mountain is protected by supernatural forces, while others suggest that there may be scientific explanations yet to be discovered. Some even say time moves differently here. One of the most intriguing claims is that time itself behaves differently around Mount Kailash. Pilgrims and explorers have reported feeling as though time speeds up or slows down, a sensation that has yet to be scientifically verified but adds to the mountain's mystique. Could there be a natural explanation for this, or is it another layer of the mountain's enigma? In 2001, a team tried to scale it. Despite the cultural taboos and mysterious phenomena, there have been attempts to climb Mount Kailash. In 2001, a well-equipped team set out to conquer the peak, driven by a mix of curiosity and ambition. Their journey, however, was cut short in a manner that only deepened the mountain's mystery. They turned back, claiming they felt an invisible force pushing them away. The climbers reported an overwhelming sensation of being repelled by an unseen force. It was as if the mountain itself was rejecting their presence, compelling them to abandon their quest. This account has fueled speculation about the true nature of Mount Kailash, and whether it is indeed protected by divine or otherworldly powers. Coincidence or something more? The stories and experiences of those who have ventured near Mount Kailash raise more questions than answers. Are these phenomena mere coincidences, or do they point to something far more profound? The mountain's allure lies in its ability to defy explanation, to remain an enigma that challenges our understanding of the natural world. And it's not just locals. The mysteries of Mount Kailash have attracted the attention of people from all walks of life, from local pilgrims to international scientists and explorers. Each group brings its own perspective and theories, yet none have been able to unravel the mountain's secrets. Scientists and explorers have also faced these mysteries. Researchers have attempted to study the mountain's unique geological features, its magnetic anomalies, and the strange atmospheric conditions reported by climbers. Despite their efforts, Mount Kailash continues to elude definitive scientific explanation, adding to its reputation as a place of profound mystery. No one has cracked the code. The enigma of Mount Kailash remains unsolved, a puzzle that has resisted the combined efforts of science, spirituality, and exploration. Its secrets are locked away, perhaps waiting for the right moment or the right person to uncover them. So, will anyone ever conquer Mount Kailash? Maybe. The question of whether Mount Kailash will ever be climbed is one that continues to intrigue and inspire. While some believe that the mountain should remain untouched out of respect for its sacred status, others are driven by the desire to explore and understand one of the last great mysteries of our world. But for now, it remains a sacred enigma, untouched and unspoiled. As it stands, Mount Kailash remains a symbol of the unknown, a place where the boundaries between the physical and the spiritual blur. Its pristine slopes and untouched summit serve as a reminder of the mysteries that still exist in our world, waiting to be explored and understood. Want more mysteries like this? The world is full of places like Mount Kailash, where the natural and the supernatural seem to intersect. These locations challenge our understanding and invite us to look beyond the surface, to seek out the stories and secrets that lie hidden within. Hit that subscribe button and stay curious. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of our world and want to learn more about places like Mount Kailash, be sure to subscribe to our channel, stay curious, and join us on a journey to uncover the secrets of the unknown.